until the tax filing deadline, and the IRS is warning taxpayers to watch out for fraudsters. More than 75,000 Americans have lost at least $28 million to IRS imposter scams in recent years. But experts believe the actual number is far higher due to underreporting. Nancy Chen looks at the scams and how to protect yourself.
Peak tax season is putting scammers into overdrive.
What makes tax season so ripe for opportunity with scammers?
They know that we are stressed, and it's going to be easier for them to potentially manipulate us.
Amy Knopziger is a fraud expert for AARP and reminds taxpayers to be on the lookout for IRS imposter scams. Here's how it works. Would-be victims receive a phone call, text message, or email claiming to be from the IRS, saying taxes are owed or there's a problem with a return.
We hear a lot of people being requested for prepaid gift cards or even cryptocurrency to pay for these. But we know that this is not how the IRS operates.
She also says to pay close attention when hiring a tax preparer.
How did you feel when you found out that this was a scam?
Nauseous, sick.
Tiffany Maddox posted this warning to Facebook after she says a company she trusted took about a third of her refund.
Did it seem like it was legitimate?
It did until a few weeks after I filed.
Unscrupulous tax return services could leave you open to liability with errors, and in some cases, deposit your refund into their account. So check their credentials. And if you owe money, think twice before putting a check in your mailbox. Experts say check washing schemes are on the rise.
This is where a criminal will steal your paper check, and essentially they'll erase whatever you have written on there. They'll wash it, and then they'll rewrite it to who they want to rewrite it to.
Instead, pay online and use a blue or black ink gel pen when writing a check, as it's harder to wash. And remember, the IRS does not initiate contact with you by text, email, or social media, and will most likely reach out first by mail.
Criminals will steal money from anyone. Doesn't matter if you're 15 or 95.
For CBS Mornings, Nancy Chen, New York.